watch my mother make this beautiful and pretty cake.
So hi guy, mommy here. Want to start decorating this 2 layers chocolate cake. So it's just a simple cake ordered by my client for her son's 1 year birthday. So Nico, what's your favorite cake? Do you like vanilla? Vanilla? Yeah, I know, because you're always asking for vanilla. Okay, guys, Nicole will be talking in between this video while we are, working on it. Okay, so vanilla is our favorite cake. Vanilla is mine too. Do you like fruit cake?
No.
I love fruit cake, aged fruit cake that, properly aged. So, yeah, I love it.
Yo.
Okay, so I'm going in with, it's a 2-tone buttercream cake. So I've worked with the white and then going in with the blue one. The white is I use Crisco for it, so it's not whipped cream or something. It's Crisco I use to get this white color. Then yes, just be watching what we are doing while we are gisting and talking. So why did you say why don't you like fruit cake? What don't you like about it? The fruits inside or the taste?
It tastes awful.
Does not taste awful.
I've tasted it before.
You don't like you. Okay. So guys, please could you leave in the comment section what's your favorite cake? Apparently Nicole doesn't like fruit cake. Mine is vanilla and fruit cake, but Nicole's is just vanilla. You don't like chocolate cake?
I like marble cake.
Marble. Ooh, okay. She loves.
Like
Yeah. Okay, so she loves marble cake. Mommy makes the best marble cake if you've tasted my cake. So the cake has a car. So we printed car carved out with fondant and the sprinkles. The client was very, very emphatic on how she wants these sprinkles and then these drages around the cake, so I had to get it, even though I couldn't see it in the blue that she wanted it, but she's okay, or rather she was okay with us adding this. So yeah, we did that. Baby, do you love this car on this cake?
Yes. Guys, have you tasted my mom's ice cream?
Ooh, total baby girl. Okay, so if you taste my ice cream, you will leave every other ice cream. So I went in with number 1. So the baby's birthday is 1 year celebration, and there's a candle by the side. I packed a little buttercream to hold it, and name added. His name is Beltel, and voila, our cake is ready. Mama, can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye.